What a day today, YouTube. Can you hear that? Exactly. Silence. I love it out here in the woods. Well, anyway, it is beautiful. The sun is shining. It's supposed to get to 40 degrees today. And not a stitch of wind. Just a gorgeous day. So I'm out in the woods. I decided to go with the log rafters instead of spending the money on a 2x8. So I got one up on there so far, and I'm just looking around, see if I can find some dead spruce or white pine that are laying down that are around 6 inches thick. So that's what I'm up to. Let me get to it. So here's a tree that snapped off and fell down a while back. You see I've been cutting some out of that. Still gonna get that one piece that I left. And I got the tops. So the tops will be good for the rafters, because I need about 6 inches, 6-inch thick, and maybe taper it down to 5.5 at the most. So I want to see what I can find. I see 2 from the top of a tree that fell down over there. I got 1 here, so let's see how many I can get together. I need 7-footers and 10-footers. Now this one, I got lucky here. I found one this one's about 18 feet. So I don't have to piece it. Some of them I'm going to have to piece a 7-foot and a 10-foot piece. But this one I'll be able to do one straight run with it. Well, that's a bonus. And I got about 8 inches on this side, so 6 inches is plenty. So I'm going to take a little off so I can take a little weight off of it, because I got to carry it back to the tractor. I got about 18 foot here. This guy's been leaning up in this tree here for who knows how long, so it's bone dry and it's nice and light. So I think I'll be able to get it out of here on my shoulder. Get to the bouncing point, and I can push the weight evenly on my shoulder. A little bit more. I should be able to lift her up. It's not too bad, ain't that heavy. Just a little awkward. So I started putting the rafters up. I got one on the end, one down on that end, and I stretched this string across up at the top, and I'm going to slide one down the middle. I got this 17 or 18 foot or whatever it is. I think it's a little over 17 foot. We're going to get that in the middle. These I spliced together. See, I put 2 of them. I got a 7-foot up at the top and then a 10-foot here. Then I spliced them together, made a little notch, and I'll show you on this one. Let me give you a little bird's eye view of it. Just made a little notch. Put my 2 threaded rods in there, and I don't think it's going to go anywhere. So, like I say, I got the string up on the top. See if I can slide this one in there, and we'll see what it looks like. I tell you, it ain't too bad. A little bit of chainsaw work up on the top. You can see up on the top there from about, I don't know, 6 inches past the middle section, slice a little off. You see the string is up a little bit, and then she should be pretty good. All rafters, and we should be good to go. Alrighty, that's it for today. Later.